day 90 since we were last in shul. So you will know every letter in the Aleph base has got a numerical value to it. The letter Tzaddik has a gematria, the numerical value of 90. And one of my favorite jobs as a rabbi is actually teaching the children how to read Hebrew. And once they know each letter and the vowels, then the Siddur, the Chumash, instead of being a locked book, is an open treasure trove. But of course, when learning to read, some letters get confused with others, and you have to have a little bit of a sign. The letter Tzaddik is often confused with Ayin. And I always teach them, how do you remember which one is the Tzaddik? That letter which also is the word of the Tzaddik, the righteous person. Well, the Tzaddik is bent over, and on its back is the letter Yud. In fact, when you're writing a Sefer Torah, you have to make sure that there is a very distinct Yud that's on the back of the diagonal line of the Tzaddik. And as most of us were taught in Cheder, that little Yud represents the little Yidel, the Jew. To be a Tzaddik, to be a righteous person, you have to be prepared to bend over to carry the Yud, to carry another little Yidel on your back. Please God, we should all be that Tzaddik. And if we're prepared to carry the Yid, then the next letters in the Hebrew alphabet, and please God, we won't be here that long because they go into the hundreds. After Tzaddik, we've got Kuf 100, Resh 200, Shin 300. We're not staying that long. But those next three letters spell out the word Keresh, which was the beams of the Mishkan, of the tabernacle in the desert. Please God, if we are prepared to carry the Yud on our back to be that Tzaddik, we will merit very quickly to have those next three letters, to have the beams of the Mishkan, of the tabernacle, of the dwelling place for Hashem, when we're all welcomed back inside together as a community.